Hello, here we are again with another song from Hotel Diablo. So today I'm doing Floor 13. Let's just hop right into it.
I just spent too many minutes watching little videos of shitty wannabe rappers dissing me. I just spent the winter living after someone trying to send a kill shot missing me. Young Blonde Don and the double X mob got a gang out in Sicily. Why you think they call me the gunner? I'm popping off on anybody if they trigger me. Black and yellow jacket on like I'm Kill Bill. Grew up strapping and I still will. We can take it back to 2012. I was trapping on the tour with some weak meal. Take it back to Cleveland when the game changed. 17 years, no plea deal. 2014 when the people try to rob me in the lobby, I bet they can feel the feet still. Point out my enemies soon as they mention me. Calling assembly, pick up a pen and put you out your misery. Written in history, it was gonna happen eventually. I just can't wait till the day that I run into you physically.
So yeah, this one is very much like externally focused, whereas like other songs it's about him and like his internal struggles. This one is about like the hate he gets, about like those who talk shit about him constantly and all that shit. So interesting to see like that little switch up. Because I do think it's important to be aware of, not hyper aware, but just like generally aware that there's like negativity out there because you want to prepare yourself for like those in-person confrontations, like you said.
For everything that I went through mentally, when it felt like everybody in the world was against me, when all the critics and every article tried to offend me, my daughter slapped the kid but talk about me in elementary. We ain't playing, it's deeper than the fame. People getting jacked for disrespecting the Philly name. 2 chopsticks, no low main. Hollow tips got no name. Bust them shits with no aim. Like it's Bird Box, but the blindfold is a black flag. This time they cover my face, the dash cam just saw me killing everybody. I got off on 413, no in between. I roll my weed with front to leaf. I chop my coke on hotel keys. I chopped his face like Constantine. Constantly get deja vu. I see me when I look at you. I never die, I multiply, so don't cry at my funeral. I just spent too many minutes watching little videos of shitty wannabe rappers dissing me.
That's also a concept that he talks about a lot, about like how he sees himself as transcending like this one life, which I just find very interesting, just from like a philosophical point of view. Like this idea of like spiritual immortality just from like having your sound live on or your legacy live on, I think is really cool.
I just spent the winter living after someone tried to send a kill shot missing me. Young Blonde Don and the double X mob got a gang out in Sicily. Why you think they call me the gunner? I'm popping off on anybody if they trigger me. What the generation that could pop be without me here to pit?
Why do they call me the gunner? I'm popping off at anybody that triggers me. That is just very, very relatable, especially since he's talked about before how he has anger issues. Like the slightest trigger can really make you just like go off sometimes. And I relate to that heavy.
Piss y'all off, I see the blogs, I read the comments, I'm confused, I need to pause. Look at y'all waiting on me to fall off while I'm looking at y'all on the suite in the Waldorf. I sold 40 million records, I ain't even 30, give me 20 seconds, I'll list 10 movies that I've been in. One legend that tried to fuck with me and then got the venom. One publication that said that I will never be in it. One agent that told me without her my career's finished and I couldn't give a single fuck cause I'm a cerebellum. Y'all awards show suck, go tell them. We ain't sucking no dick in the 21-6. Brought O's to the landline back, I'm on the 13th floor with a weapon. I heard that they call me, yeah.
Because at the end of the day, you just can't let yourself care. Like I said, you can be aware of those who are against you, those who want you to fail, those who just like don't fuck with you flat out. And that's fine. But like you just can't let it affect the way you move and like the way you function. Because otherwise, how are you ever gonna get anywhere?
I got something for him, yeah. Please forgive my sins. Blood on my route floor, yeah. I can't wash the shit. Wake up, say good morning, yeah. Like I forgot. Got off on 413, no in between. I roll my weed with front to leaf. I chop my coke on hotel keys. I chopped his face like Constantine. Constantly get deja vu. I see me when I look at you. I never die, I multiply, so don't cry at my funeral.
So I'd say it's giving like a haunted vibe, like someone who's struggling with their demons. So fits the overall motif of the album for sure. But just like it's really easy listen. It's really vibey. I like it.